Be ready. Start. On the other hand, Mr. G.S. Punia, Land Council, appearing for the appellant, contended that the appeal, having been dismissed in limine by this court, stop. The application for correction of clerical or typographical mistake would be maintainable only before the district judge who has passed a decree for affirmation and not before the learned trial court. Stop. It is further contended that the dismissal of appeal in limine does not amount to merger of the decree of the courts below with the order passed by this court in terms of provisions of section 153A of the code, and therefore the application before this court is not maintainable. Stop. Reliance was placed upon and others AIR 1948 Madras 13 to contend that the clerical and typographical mistake under section 152 or 153 of the code, which are directly arise out of the proceedings itself and not for correcting errors which are anterior to the proceedings, particularly in document upon which suits are brought. Stop. Reliance is also placed upon a full bench judgment of Kerala High Court in and others Narayani and others AIR 1980 Kerala 76 to contend that except in cases to which section 153 A CPC applies, where there has been an appeal, the decree under appeal merges in the decree in appeal, and it is only the appellate court that could correct and amend the decree under section 152 of the code. Stop. Since the appeal by this court has been dismissed in limine, therefore it is the court of district judge to entertain the application for correction of the judgment and decree. Stop. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties and going through the case law referred to, decree can be corrected by this court in exercise of the powers conferred under section 152 and 153. Read with section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Stop. This court dismissed the second appeal on 7/10/1993 in the presence of the counsel for the parties in limine with words no merit, dismissed. Stop. The question which arises is whether such an order will amount to merger of the judgments of the courts below with the order passed by this court on 7/10/1993. Stop. The full bench of this court in Daya's case has the occasion to consider this precise question, wherein earlier division bench judgment of this court in Motu Ram's case holding that The dismissal of appeal in limine does not amount to merger of the judgment and decree of the lower appellate court was found to be not a correct law, and it was held that dismissal of appeal in limine would amount to merger stop.